Buy HP Laserjet Pro M402dw laser printer at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Securely and rapidly produce documents with the Laserjet Pro M402dw Monochrome laser printer from HP. This capable printer finishes jobs faster and delivers comprehensive security to guard against threats. The HP M402 wakes up and prints faster than the competition, while keeping printing safe from boot up to shutdown with security features that guard against complex threats. Print using less energy than competitors, enhanced by original HP toner cartridges with jet intelligence. Make the most of your office space, with a printer that conveniently fits right into your work style. Easily access, print, and share resources with Ethernet and wireless networking. Count on wireless direct printing in the office from mobile devices without accessing the company network. It can print up to 40 pages per minute. First page out in as fast as 6.4 seconds. Keep printing safe from boot up to shutdown with security features that guard against complex threats. Choose original HP toner cartridges with jet intelligence, engineered to help your HP Laserjet printer print faster and more prints. Paper is handled with 2 input trays with a total capacity of 350 pages with the ability to work with documents. Also, it has a 2-line backlit LCD for checking printer status along with a USB host port for directly printing from a portable drive. The printer has a monthly duty cycle of 80,000 pages for durability, and in addition to the networking connections, it is equipped with a USB 2.0 option. Save 10% with Amazon Dash replenishment. Upon activation, your printer measures toner level and places smart reorders when you are running low. No subscription fees. 1-year warranty, return to HP authorized service provider.